Hi everybody, Expert4x here from Expert4x. Welcome to today's video. We're going to be looking at the Forex Dream Machine, one of our most neglected but most robust Forex trading robots. Now the Forex Dream Machine is so robust that we offer a 30-day money back guarantee on it, and just to give you an idea of what it does, basically the Dream Machine looks at the strong currencies in the market and the weakest currency in the market, and then what it does is and this chart here shows you a chart of where the strongest currencies and the weakest currencies are monitored. So what it does is, as let's say this is the pound, as the pound gets stronger and the yen gets weaker, it will then start trading back into the middle of the chart by selling the pound and buying the yen. And that way, and that's effectively you selling the pound yen, and the currencies invariably return to the middle of the chart. You can see it goes out, they go out, and they come back to the middle. There it goes out, comes back to the middle. There it goes out, comes back to the middle. Goes out, comes back to the middle. So it's trading the natural movement of the Forex market. And that's what makes this such a powerful EA. Now, the Dream Machine is also one of our top 3 EAs. We have a special bundle with 60% off, which is the Dream Machine, the Make Money EA, and the Grid Trend Multiplier. Now, what makes this bundle so special is that you can start a portfolio of EAs by trading the plug-and-play versions of these EAs, and that gives you a great introduction to how EAs should be traded in a portfolio. The Dream Machine is a sideways EA. The Grid Trend Multiplier is also a sideways EA, but only trades selected currencies. And the Make Money is a trending EA, and it makes a lot of money in a trending environment. So what you do, in each case, you select the currencies that are it's best suited to trending markets and sideways markets. But the Dream Machine actually trades sideways markets on a continuous basis, trading all of the currencies. What is nice is that all our monitoring accounts which are trading our plug and play settings are all nicely positive. So you can see it's a robust EA. Okay, so let's have a look at the Dream Machine web page, and I'll just go through some of the sections that you should be looking at when you visit this page. So there's the page that you've already seen with the 30-day guarantee, and there is the type of chart that it uses to determine which are the strong currencies and the weak currencies. So here's an example of how it trades. It trades the strong currency against the weak currency by selling the strong currency and buying the weak one, because invariably they come back into the middle of the chart. And you can see it sometimes catches the turning points absolutely perfect. So it's meant to be a turning point catching EA. And if you want more information, here's a video that gives you much more information about how the Dream Machine trades. Now, what we do at Expert4x is we throw as much of the training information on the marketing page, so you can actually learn how the EA works before you even buy it. So there's a lot of information about which currencies have produced the best results in the past, what kind of results you can be looking at, and the type, and a complete explanation of the setting. So let's have a look at what some of our users are experiencing with the Dream Machine. So now I'm on the forum, which is the owners forum. It's an open forum. You can even go and have a look at it as a non-owner. And here is a topic that was started by one of our owners. This client is actually trading the Dream Machine on a scalping basis. He's using a 15-minute time frame. He's using nice tight targets, and he's experiencing some really good results. Here are the results that he's experiencing that he's posted on my Forex book, and you can go and read about the settings and all that type of thing in the forum. Now here's another trader that is using all of our plug and play settings, is trading them on a real account, and has experienced a 500% result on his trading over 200 days, and he has generated almost 10,000 pips. Really fantastic. You can see that all of the currencies are basically being traded. Now, what's interesting about this client is he only started with $500, and then he started withdrawing his money. So he withdraw money. In fact, he withdrew $750 after starting with $500. So he has returned back to his bank, as it were, more money that is put into his trading account, and he now has over $1,700 in his trading account. So he's done pretty well, and that's where that 500% return comes. Really, very nice results. Then here are some more results based on our monitoring accounts. Our monitoring accounts use very conservative settings, and that's why the results are not as high as one normally would want them to be. But once you've got used to the monitoring accounts and the plug and play settings, you can then move into your own settings like that other client did and really experience 500% returns doing that. And here again is a real account, generated 1,400 pips. So the technique really works very well, and it had a bit of an up and down ride, but you can see some nice success coming through. Now, here's another client that's used a slightly different approach. He's traded the 3 versions of the daily, 3 versions of the 4 hour, 3 versions of the 1 hour, and 3 versions of the 15-minute, and has experienced some really positive results all the way. The short-term ones have not been robust, so he's incurred some losses on the short-term ones, but certainly the longer-term currencies, especially the 4 hour, have been really, really good. So that's another confirmation. This was a real account. Again, the client managed to withdraw all the money that he put in. He started with $1,000 in this real account. He withdrew systematically out of the account as the account improved. And in fact, he has withdrawn all his money. So his account is totally risk-free. And what is left in his account is $760. And you can see that's the amount of profit that was made, but it's also the balance that's there. So he has managed to withdraw his risk capital out here. He's generated almost 5,000 pips over 180 day period. So another good success of showing how the client uses the Dream Machine in creative ways. So what I suggest is go and visit the Forex Dream Machine's webpage. It's got all the trading, it's got all the results there, and read through all that information, and you'll be amazed at how successful this particular EA is. And it has the plug and play versions that allow you to get involved at on a very low risk base. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and the clickable links to the websites will be in the description as well as in the first comment of this video. From me, Alex Deploy, cheerio.